Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to do our textbook page number 48. The topic of our study is comparing adverbs. Comparing adverbs. The comparative compares. The comparative compares two actions. In the comparative, we compare two actions, means two verbs. I laughed louder than Jasmine. I and Jasmine are the two nouns, and we compare the laugh of the both of these nouns. I laughed louder than Jasmine. The superlative compares more than two actions. Nile laughed the loudest of all. Add er or est to short adverbs fast, faster and fastest, and more and most to longer adverbs. Shorter adverbs we add er and est, and in the longer adverb we add more and most. Easily, more easily, and most easily. Exercise 1. Use a comparative or superlative adverb from the box to complete each of these sentences. Most often, more quickly, more smoothly, best, better, more clearly, most persuasively, and more slowly. Use these adverbs, and complete these blanks. The first one. The rehearsal went dash than we thought it would. The rehearsal went dash than we thought it would. More smoothly. More smoothly. We got to the cinema dash than the others. We got to the cinema more quickly. Please drive dash. Please drive more slowly. More slowly. She spoke the dash. She spoke the dash most persuasively. Paras behaved the dash. Paras behaved the dash best. Try to explain dash why you liked it. Try to explain more clearly. Of my family, I got to the cinema the most often. Most often. He performed dash than the other actors better. Now on workbook, page number 29, exercise 1. Write the correct word from the bracket in each of the following sentences. We arrived dash than my cousins. We arrived earlier. Earlier. I ate my popcorn dash than mum did. I ate my popcorn quick or more quickly? More quickly. My dad laughed the dash loudest. My dad laughed the loudest. I asked my brother to talk less noisily. We go to the movies dash than my cousins do. We go to the movies more often. My mom likes romantic movies dash best. My mom likes romantic movies best. I like comedies dash than thrillers. I like comedies more than thrillers. The bus went more dash on the way home. The bus went more slowly on the way home. Now exercise 7. Use one of the words in the box to finish each sentences. These are the words in the box and use these in these blanks. He was a dash friend. He is a dash friend. He is a good friend. I did really dash on the mathematics test. I did really well on the mathematics test. Those mangoes look very dash. Those mangoes look very good. He is feeling dash today than he did yesterday. He is feeling better. I feel sick. I am not dash enough to go to school. I am not enough. I am not well enough to go to school. That was my dash score ever. That was my worst score ever. If I feel dash, I will go back to school tomorrow. If I feel better, I will go back to school tomorrow. I am sorry that I played so dash yesterday. I am sorry that I played so badly yesterday.